Ethiopia, then we go down to Eritrea. Yeah, you can see we're here in Asmara, and we're going to explore what Ethiopia / Eritrea has for us today. So karibuni, let's go ahead.
Okay.
So we're in, and we have met a very nice guide when we were coming. So that's exactly where we're headed to. So as you can see, that's the entrance, and then from just the view, I think they have a very nice kids area. You can go and open over there. Yeah, but let's first see what they have inside. Last time we are trying the Ethiopian dishes. Sahali tipsy.
Ni goat meat ya inaweza kuja either na chips ama mashed potato ama injera. Moja ni beef.
The tipsy.
Imepikwa na hizo Ethiopian spices. Kuna hii zigzag ni beef imekatwa kwa zigzag form. Kuna pia hii ina chili yoyote. Injera mixed kabisa. Ni kama upike ugali na nyama kuchanganya.
Hiyo tipsy firfir.
Same to hii hadi chini. Hii ni mixed plate inakuja kwa tumeka hii ya kuku.
Mguu ya kuku kwa sauce.
Hii ni full chicken.
Na spices za Ethiopian.
Alafu pia hii inakuja na kama yai katikati. Na nyama ya kuku yenye ina mfupa wamezikata in cube form. Same to this one kama hii but hii ni iko na nini ya kuku.
Chicken na chickpea sasa. Currently over here. And we have the injera. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, the mixed platter. That's what we have gotten. So I'm going to show you what is on it. Yes. So that's how it looks like over here. Let me see if I can remember what we've been told. So this bottom part, we have the white injera and the brown injera, and then we have the meat. This zigni, the zigni meat, and then we have the shiro, which is the chickpea with beef. And then we have the minced meat. We have this white and red over here. So they called the minced meat in Ethiopia / Eritrea, it's called minchet. So this is white minchet and red minchet. Then we have some spinach skuma, and then some cabbage over here, and then the doro sauce. Dobo. I'm going to confirm, yeah. So that's it. So let's eat and see how it tastes like. To eat, we've been told you can eat it when you're not scared. You can eat it by hand, by fork, by knife. Yeah, it's all about enjoying yourself. There's no particular way of eating it. So I'm just going to pick some with my hand and then eat with maybe the zignet. So yeah, we have the white one, and then maybe I take this piece and see. This is so nice. So nice, but you also have to be very spices because Ethiopian food has quite a lot of spices. We are going to taste the shiro. So let me just use the white injera. This is a bit sticky. It's nice, but compared to this, I love the zigni. Yeah. Then you can taste the white minced meat which they've called minchet. So a bit of the brown injera with it. So some pig. So now we have the zigni, the shiro, and the white minchet. So we're going to try the red one. I'm not going to try this, and this was also common. Yeah, you've eaten cabbage and you've eaten the skuma and spinach. So we're just going to try the red one. I'm actually loving the red minced meat on the set more than the white one. So far in order of how I've prepared them, I would say this is number 1, number 2, then number 3, then Shiro is number 4. Yeah, but so far so good. And then finally the Adobe sauce. So some bit of it. So just something with some barbecue sauce dish in a way. Yeah, that's so far so nice. So yeah, let's enjoy. Then we'll catch up at the end with the full review. This is their coffee. No, it's okay. Just continue. So yes, we are done. We have had the Asmara meat platter, which had the 3 beefs, the minchet, which is the minced meat in Eritrea, and then the zibni, and then the shiro, and then the doba odoro sauce. So for that, the injera, to me, this is my personal opinion. So I found the injera a bit plain. And then when inquiring, we had that the injera, the white one is made out of mchele siadwa, the white rice that has just been whatever the siadwa is. Yeah, and then the brown one is made out of teef, which is like a plant in Eritrea. And then, but the sauces were very nice, except for I didn't really enjoy the shiro, but the rest were nice. And then the spice itself, it was very nice. It wasn't that hot, but it was also hot, but it was a sweet hot. I don't know whether you can get it. It was like hot and sweet at the same time. Yeah. So then also for the chicken, we had the Sebi boneless chicken. That one was very nice and very sweet. And then we had it with fries, but the fries were very little, in my opinion. But the chicken itself was nice, and then it was served with some cheese. And then also we had the Eritrean coffee. Hey, guys, let me tell you, if you want now real coffee, the one that is cold, that is the one. Yeah, it's very cold. You have to add quite a lot of sugar, but it's also very nice. If you enjoy coffee, that's something you might enjoy. And then it comes with some sizzling or some incense along with it to just give it the flavor. So I think that's part of the culture. Yeah, and then for the other drinks, these are just the drinks that you'll find anywhere, the smoothies, the milkshake. They were very nice. And also I would say the cost for the drinks were affordable. Yeah, as I was saying, the meals are between 1,200 to 1,700, that is per person. So on averagely, just for the meals or the main course, you've made like about 3,000, which I would say per person it's fair if it's about 1,200, 1,700 if you're on a day where you're willing to spend. You know, there are days where you want to spend and there are days you don't want to spend. Yeah, so if you're on a day where you want to spend, so I would say that is affordable. But if it's on a day where you're not willing to spend much, then it should be on the higher side. So that's it from me. Till next time, remember to subscribe and leave your comment below on what you want us to try out next, or which country you want us to visit and explore their meals. Till next time, kwaheri, subscribe. The raw coffee. Oh. And then the roasted coffee is in that. Oh, this type thing, I can open it? Yes, you can. Ah. Oh, no, this is roasted. Yes. So you roast it over there in that Oh, now you're roasting some.
Right now I'm preparing.
Oh, you're preparing coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, then now you put this. Then now you put it inside the.
After grinding,
I
put in this one.
Oh, in this one.
Is
Ah, okay.